Hello, welcome to our channel for rprogramming for beginners. In this video, we will introduce several functions in R related to statistics. So, for example, if you want to calculate the mean of a vector or mean of columns of a matrix or whole matrix, you can use mean y. Y is the object for vector matrix or data frames. Median for the median, and the standard deviation is the function SD, and the VAR for the variance, and the quantile. Quantile is the value, random value in this vector. Y is a vector. So this value, which means the proportions of this probability under this value in odd observations. And the range will calculate the difference between the maximum and the minimum value, and the sum and the difference will calculate the lagged difference between each pair of values, minimum and maximum value also. The scale will get a standardized value with mean 0 and a standard deviation of 1. So next we will show how to implement these functions in RStudio. So first, to create a vector x including 100 values from 1 to 100. They will calculate the mean of x is 50.5 and the standard deviation of x 29, and the variance 841. You can also use the trimmed mean, which will cut the lowest and the highest 5% of the scores. Here we set a trim 0.05, then calculate the mean of the left of observations. In this example, we'll get the same mean as normal. Then the scale x will calculate the standardized value. So each value has been standardized with the 0 mean and variance 1, a standard deviation 1. And a minimum 1, maximum 100, and the range from 1 to 100 will list the minimum and the maximum value. Then diff is the lagged difference between each pair of the neighbor values. Then quantile of this vector, we set the probability 0.7. So it's about 70.3. So which means 70% of the observations in this vector will be below this value. You can also download the source files from this GitHub link, and more videos will be uploaded later on YouTube soon. Thanks for watching.